The Sharp 1118H is a manual toolroom lathe that offers high speed, high precision, and easy threading. The machine is precision built and compactly constructed, making it ideal for the precision machining of small parts. The spindle accommodates 5C collet chuck, 3-jaw chuck, faceplate, and spindle nose type fixtures. The spindle is mounted on high precision matched pair and angular contact bearings that bear lateral and axial load during machining to ensure outstanding accuracy and stability. The spindle running is controlled through an inverter, providing variable speed range of 130 to 4,000 RPM. The spindle speed control box is for setting the spindle speed and changing the running direction. The 5C collet closer is manually operated. The carriage feed unit is driven by an independent DC motor for variable speed change to suit various workpiece materials, types of cut, and cutting tools. The carriage travels on a flat piece of alloy steel block instead of single V or flat ways. This unique design ensures high accuracy in Z-axis travel. The control box provides the carriage and cross-slide feed rate change. Automatic thread length control ensures accurate threading without thread relief. The quick action push and pull slide enhances threading operations.